Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students. How are you today?
Morning. Fine.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, it's better for us to pray to the God. Pray to the God, begin. Finish. Before we start our lesson, I want to check your attendance list. So, when I call your name, please say present miss and raise your hand. Okay, students?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, for the first is Hera Yunita.
Present, Miss.
How are you, Hera?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Next, Naila Alfarafisa.
Present, Miss.
How are you, Naila?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's good. Ayu Suryani. You know
It's
where?
not coming.
Oh, not coming yet today.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
maybe
Miss.
she have a reason not coming today. Okay, today is our lesson topic about asking and giving suggestion. Wait a minute, I will presentation it about. Okay, today our lesson is asking and giving suggestion. What is asking and giving suggestion? Asking and giving suggestions are phrases in English that are used to express how to ask and give advice to others. Jadi, apa itu asking and giving suggestion? Asking and giving suggestion itu merupakan tindakan yang kita dalam bahasa Inggris yang kita gunakan untuk mengekspresikan bagaimana kita meminta dan memberikan saran kepada orang lain. Nah, di dalam asking suggestion itu bisa menggunakan beberapa kalimat ketika kalian ingin meminta saran kepada teman, saudara, ataupun yang lainnya. For example, dimulai dengan kata, what should I do? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any suggestion for me? Can you tell me what I should do? Do you have any advice for me? Nah, jadi dari sebelum kita meminta saran kepada orang lain, kepada teman atau kepada siapapun yang kita ingin minta saran, kita bisa menggunakan beberapa contoh kalimat di sini. Ada 5, what should I do? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any suggestion for me? Can you tell me what I should do? Do you have any advice for me? Jadi, I think in our daily life, we always need suggestion from our friend, our family, and another people. For example, when we confuse to what can we do if we have a problem. Okay, students?
Okay, Miss.
Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
The second is about giving suggestion. Selain kita meminta saran, tentunya kita juga pernah kan memberi saran kepada teman kita, apalagi jika dia meminta saran kepada kita. Nah, untuk memulai pemberian saran tersebut, kita bisa menggunakan awalan kalimat seperti you should do, you need or ought to, you had better, you ought to, I think you should, I advise you to, I suggest you to, I recommended you to, and maybe you should. Jadi kalau misalnya students kalian ingin memberikan saran kepada teman kalian, di dalam bahasa Inggris itu bisa menggunakan beberapa contoh kalimat yang telah saya jelaskan tadi. Next, itu respond to asking and giving suggestion. Ketika kita meminta asking and giving suggestion, tentunya kita memiliki respon, dan respon di sini ada 2. Yang pertama itu agreeing and disagreeing. Misalnya kita meminta atau memberikan saran, tentu kita ada yang setuju dan tidak setuju, menerima atau tidak menerima. Nah, untuk dalam bahasa Inggris, ungkapan menerima saran ataupun memberi saran itu, yaitu contoh di beberapa kalimat seperti ini. I agree with you, bukan kalimat, beberapa beberapa satu kalimat gitu yang menunjukkan kalau kita setuju dengan saran yang diberikan teman kita. Misalnya, I agree with you. I think you're right. I think so. That's good idea. That's right. Thanks, I will try your advice. That sounds great. And next, if we not disagreeing about advice that we have, advice that our friend gives to us, we can say, no, I don't think so. I disagree with you. That's not a good idea. I understand your point, but I think bla bla bla. Itu dia tadi contoh respon yang kita berikan kepada teman kita jika kita tidak setuju ataupun setuju dengan saran yang telah diberikan. Nah, jadi dari penjelasan saya tadi, from my explanation later, I want you give me one sentence example to maybe you want to ask suggestion from your friend, or you can give a suggestion to your friend. Can you, students?
Yes,
Yes, Miss.
Miss.
Okay, for the first is Naila. Can you give me example about asking and giving suggestion?
Yes, Miss.
What is Naila?
The example is, can you give me any suggestion for my problem? And my friend giving suggestion like this. Maybe you have to repair your bad behavior to make other more like or love you, like that.
Okay,
Ma'am.
that's good, Naila. Your example is good, very good. Give applause for Naila.
Thank you, Miss.
And next, Hera, can you give me one example about asking and giving suggestion?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what is that?
The example is, what do you think we should watch? And my friend said, I think it is better for us to watch action like this, Miss.
Okay, that's good, Hera. Give applause for Hera. Okay, I think you understand about the material, student. We can next for our lesson today. Example of dialogue. In your screen, this is example of dialogue asking and giving suggestion. Dialogue 1 is about Mr. Darukan and Mr. Lepo. Naila and Hera, can you read this dialogue for me?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
I wanna be Mr. Darukan.
Okay, so
Okay.
Hera is
Yes.
Mr. Lepo, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, you can start from now.
Hi, Lepo.
Hi, Darukan.
Why you so sad?
I'm so confused.
Why confused? Do you have a problem?
I haven't been able to pay the school administration. Do you have any advice to me?
I think you should ask the superintendent to the school.
It's good idea. Thanks, Darukan.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's good, student.
Yeah.
In this example, is Mr. Lepo is confused how to pay about administration, and Mr. Darukan give his advice, and Mr. Lepo agreeing about the Mr. Darukan advice. Next, this is dialogue 2. I will explanation for your student. In this dialogue, terdiri dari Anissa and Nerly. Hi Nerly, how are you today? I feel disappointed. What's wrong with you? I got bad mark English examination yesterday. Don't be sad. I'm certain you can get mark better next time and you should study hard. Thank you for your suggestion. It's okay, don't mention it. Nah, di dialog 2 ini, Anissa mempertanyakan kenapa Nerly bingung atau dia merasa melihat Anissa melihat Nurli itu kebingungan atau masa sedih gitu kan. Nah, jadi si Anissa itu bertanya kenapa dan Nurli itu ternyata dapat nilai yang buruk di nilai bahasa Inggris, ujian bahasa Inggrisnya, dan Anissa memberikan saran dan mengatakan jangan sedih, nanti kamu bisa dapat yang bagus lagi jika kamu belajar dengan giat. Nah, Anissa pun menerimanya dan di sini termasuk agreeing for asking and giving suggestion students. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh no, before we closing this lesson, I wanna give you homework. So please make a dialogue to people. Please buat dialog tentang asking and giving suggestion seperti contoh yang berikan saya tadi, dan tugasnya itu dikumpulkan minggu depan. Okay, student.
Okay, Miss.
The conclusion of this learning material is when we understand how to ask and give advice, it will make it easier for us to communicate, relate to this matter correctly and understood by our interlocutors in English. I hope this is enough for today. Please make your homework. Don't forget to submit it. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.